have my friend here, and
Hello.
be honest with me. What is the foundation like? Is it good? Is it bad? Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. As you guys can see in the title, I'll be trying on the BLK foundation and also the concealer and reviewing them and just testing them out for my combination skin. And yeah, so if you want to see if it works for my combination skin and how I did this look, then keep on watching. Okay guys, so I'm really excited because I finally have the BLK All Day Matte Liquid Foundation, and I'm kind of late because I'm in US and I don't think they have shipping internationally. I don't know, so that's why I just asked my sister to send me the foundation. And I also got the All Day Brightening Concealer. This is the two main thing that I've been wanting to try. So yes, don't worry, I have a tube top, I'm not naked. So yeah, that's that. Let me just pull out the price for this foundation and concealer. Okay, so they have honey, sand, and porcelain. They only have 3 shades of foundation. So yeah, if you haven't watched my let's talk about the shade range, I will probably leave the card somewhere here so you can watch that as well. But yeah, this is the shade sand, and it says here it's All Day Matte Liquid Foundation, which is good for me because I have a combination skin. And it's just this here weightless formula, silky, lightweight fluid, feels ultra smooth and comfortable on skin. It says buildable coverage, blendable moisturizing formula, builds to provide medium to full coverage. Okay, and it says all day flawless guarantee, all day wear with a second skin finish. Okay, and she's sand. So let's just test this out. And this is cost 499 pesos, which is almost 500 pesos. So anyway, let me just apply primer, which is I'm gonna be using the No Pore Problem from, I think this is Touch, yeah, from the Touch and Soul. So I'm just gonna put primer. And I actually want to try this now because I have like pimples right here and I have like a couple of redness, and I'm excited to try out like the coverage of this foundation. Okay, so let me just open this one right here. So that's the packaging right there. And this and they're also cruelty free, so that's good. And it just says made in Taiwan, something like that. Interesting. So this is the packaging. Let's see right there, that's the packaging. And okay, it comes with a pump right there. The packaging reminds me of the Huda Beauty foundation. I don't have that, but I seen that on Sephora, and this just reminds me of the packaging. So it's very heavy, and I'm just hoping that this is gonna be my shade. So okay, I'm gonna use a sponge from Morphe, and let me just kind of like, okay, so it's gonna take forever to push. I don't know guys if I don't know if this is okay. There we go, come on. There. So okay, damn. So yan yung foundation. So I'm just gonna put like dots right there. So this is one pump. Ano siya guys, masyadong light siya, so It says in the website buildable, you have to build it. Oh my god, ayoko yung pump niya kasi ano, nag-spread siya sa salamin. Ugh. So yung pump niya ano, ang pangit. I don't like the pump. It will. Okay, let me just build this up. But I don't like the pump. That's it. Like, I just don't like the pump because the foundation now is like literally in my table, under like everywhere. I don't know because it's brand new, but I don't like it. So that's the second pump right there, without foundation, with foundation. So ang na-notice ko guys is it's kind of like this dewy, kasi yung claim niya is matte, so it's very lightweight. Actually, it's very lightweight and it looks very dewy, actually very dewy, and I think it kind of match. I don't know, it looked like really light in the camera, but I'm looking at it in person, it kind of like matches though. So let me just put this foundation all over my face and then I will be right back. Okay guys, so I went ahead and just apply a cream contouring so I don't look like straight Casper. So anyway, this pump, I hate this pump. Whoever created this pump is a mess. Like, I was like literally trying to try to push it carefully. There's like mess like on my mirror and on my table. The foundation just scattered. So I really don't like the pump of this foundation, and it's kind of like messy when I try to apply it. But anyway, let's move on with the concealer, and this is the All Day Brightening Plus Correcting Concealer. This concealer retails for 349 pesos, and it says here that it's soft natural finish, and it will hold on, its light reflecting formula gives a luminous, oh god, natural skin finish, medium to full coverage, high coverage pigment experts brightens conceal. Okay, smooth weightless liquid goes. Okay, so this is the shade. I got the shade Buttermilk. They also have the shade Honey, and I think they have 3, I don't know how many. Okay, it says meet your handy face filter, hide blemishes, dark circles, and all other skin imperfections. Let's see about that. Okay, so let me just put this concealer, and it's the same thing, it's cruelty free, so that's good. And this is the concealer right there, and let's just open her up. Oh, by the way, the foundation doesn't have that smell, and this is the one right there. That's the one. So let's just put this concealer under our eyes like that, and let me just blend this in. I would say kind of like brightens up my under eye, and it blends really well with together with the foundation. Let me just, and then let me just try to put these right here in my pimple area here. Yeah. Okay guys, so far I actually like the concealer. It's very lightweight and it kind of like brighten up my under eye. It's just like very light. It's not full coverage concealer. It's very lightweight. This will probably good in like normal day-to-day concealer. But if we're talking about covering like the pimple, or like, you know, if you have like blemishes or redness, I would like, you have to kind of like put more product in order for it to cover your problem area. But overall, I kind of like the formula. It's kind of like has that luminous, but it's actually good. I don't see any problem around my pores. I feel like it's probably my primer or the foundation, or they're just good combination, the three of them. But overall, it's actually pretty good. Let me just set the do the rest of my face makeup, then I will be right back. Okay guys, so this is the final look. So I'm just gonna probably run some errands, and I'm gonna keep updating you guys. It is currently 2:37 p.m. right there, and then I'm gonna keep you guys updated for like every 2 hours or 4 hours, it depends. But yeah, this is the final look. This is kind of like my everyday look. But yeah, I'm gonna update you guys now. I'm gonna use the Canon G7X because the one that I'm using right now is the SL2, and I can't be bringing the SL2 everywhere I go, so I'm gonna just switch to my Canon G7X. So yeah. Okay guys, so update, it is 3:45 p.m. and I just got done filming another video, which is the Louis Vuitton unboxing. But yeah, this is the foundation and concealer right there. It's still pretty good, still there. But I'm going to Walmart because I will be changing my oils. So let's just see how it's gonna, you know, turn like in a couple of hours. But this is it. This is what you get. Okay guys, just a little update. It's 4:42 p.m. I just got my oil change done, and let's see, focus. Yeah, it's still there. It's still pretty good. Like the highlight, still good. And I'm gonna pick up my friend Viola because we're going to Chipotle. We're going to eat, and then we'll just see, like probably around 6 o'clock, or yeah, around 6 o'clock. And I'm gonna give you guys another update on the foundation, but pretty much it's still sitting pretty good. But yeah,
foundation is it?
What is 5:53? So almost 8 o'clock. I have my friend here, and
hello.
Be honest with me, what is the foundation like? Is it good? Is it bad? I can handle anything. So
don't look at my face like that. No. It looks really good. I'm checking like your nose and the areas where they usually crack, but it's like it's perfect.
It's good. It's perfect.
Yeah, it's really good. Maybe a little bit here.
Okay, my smile lines. Okay, gotcha.
But other than that, it's really good.
Yeah, because I was done like around 2 o'clock, I think. And then what time is it? 2, 3, 4, 5. So almost 6 hours, like 3 hours. Okay, 6. So wait, 6 hours? Okay,
yeah,
6 hours. So it's like 3 hours now from the application. But
yeah, I like it.
Alright, yeah. So hey guys, update. It's 9 o'clock p.m. Hold on, let me just confirm that. Yeah, it's 9 o'clock, and this is the foundation looks like. So I can already see here that it's like breaking out, but in this side right here it's still pretty good, especially in this side. This is like my favorite part of my face. Still pretty good. I just, you can see the lines right there, and then let's see in the, okay, so the only problem is this part right here. Look at my lipstick, it's still there. This is the Maybelline, by the way. But yeah, that's the foundation. You guys can see that it's breaking apart in my nose area. So okay, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 for 7 hours now. So 7 hours. I think I'm gonna be doing a last check-in. Okay, focus. Okay, there you go. So I'm gonna be doing a last check-in probably around 10 or 11 o'clock. But yeah, it's not really oily. It's just like this, just in my nose part, like mostly in my T-zone part, because that's where I normally oil up. But yeah, that's that right there. Okay, you guys are going so close now. But yeah, that's just that. But pretty much very good in like in this side right here. I really like this side. It's probably because I always use glasses, because I need glasses for in order for me to drive or something like that, or in order for me to see. But yeah, that's about it. So I'm just gonna update you guys later on, like 11 or 10, something like that, because it's still been 7 hours. But yeah, hey guys, so I'm gonna do my last check-in for this day because it's already 10:25, and yeah, like I just want this review to be over. And okay, all I can say is this foundation is medium to full coverage, and I'm not gonna say it's all day because it claims here all day matte liquid, and I'm not gonna, yeah, it's not all day. This is like not a 24/7 or 24 hours. I can probably say it's like it's good for gonna be like 5 to 6 hours, or at least 8 hours. It's good. But with me, I actually have a problem in this part right here. As you guys can see, it's already breaking up because this is the part where I put my glasses. So yeah, that's that. But yeah, overall I do like this foundation, but it's just the first one is like the pump. I hate the pump. That's it. I hate the pump. For the price point for this product, I think it's reasonable because you will get like quite a bit amount of foundation. And then for the concealer is actually I'm still kind of like 50-50 on both products. I still want to kind of like test them more out, like, you know, before I even so like, oh my god, I highly recommend it, even if it's not. But for my oily skin, it actually works. It's really good in here. As you guys can see, this part right here is actually really good. Even if I'm like keep checking on my camera and my phone, it's actually pretty good. Like this side right here is actually good. And then you guys can see in like previous clip that it was like when I was applying the concealer, it like literally highlights. But yeah, I still have that creasing right there, but overall it's okay. It's just like in this area I tend to like, I don't know, break out a lot. But if I actually use the Maybelline, there is a creasing a little bit, but not too much dramatic like this one right here. But yeah, I feel like this is just good for like 5 hours or 6 hours. I can use this foundation. But if you're looking for an all day foundation, like 8 to 12 hours, especially me, if I go to work and then I'm feeling like putting foundation on my face, I'm not gonna grab this foundation because I don't know. And also for the shade range, you guys, I'm not even gonna start, but for 3 shade range, like 3 shade with foundation, as a no to me, like that. Okay guys, I'm just gonna do like my overall thoughts with the BLK foundation. If do I recommend it? No. If like just save your coins, try the Super Stay Matte for the Maybelline. But I'm still gonna try and use this foundation for like probably like just running errands, like for just like couple hours, or like if I'm just feeling myself, I can probably put this on like for 5 or 6 hours. But if we're talking about like 12 hours, or like if you have to go to the work and stuff like that, I would not highly recommend this foundation because I don't know, it's kind of like I still have to test it out. But maybe if I keep using it, maybe I will change my mind. I'll just update it in a comment down below, I mean in a comment section down below. But anyway, with the concealer, I like it. It's very creamy and it's easy to blend. Actually, it's really creamy and it's just luminous concealer. But yeah, I saw my thoughts is kind of like 50-50 with this foundation. But yeah, it's just 50-50. I like it, but I don't like it. It's in between those lines. But I will update you guys more on this BLK foundation. I'm gonna just keep trying it out, like I said. How many times I said it? But yeah, this is just like my last check-in, and I don't have a blotting paper, that's why I can't really judge. But I wasn't that oily. I wasn't really that oily. It's probably because I was like running around this house earlier. But yeah, there's literally no oils I already took off my lashes, but there's really no oil. It's just in this part right here, and I like the finish of the foundation, by the way. But yeah, I mean, the foundation is good. It's not that very like, I'm like, oh my god, I really like this foundation. No, it's not, but it's a good foundation. It's just the minus with this foundation is first is the shade range. 3 shade range. Sis, put more shades, like straight up, no bullshit. Put more shade in your foundation, because 3 shades with this whole foundation light, I just don't like that. But anyway, that's it, you guys. Let me know in the comment section down below if you tried this BLK foundation and concealer, and if you want me to try more local makeup products, let me DM me on my Instagram account. Make sure to follow me as well on my Instagram account. I'm gonna leave all the link down in the description box below, and message me, comment in the section below if you want more makeup products from local brand Philippines do you want me to try. But yeah, hope you like this video, and make sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.